Hello, everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how ChatGPT started, and the timeline of GPTs coming every year with new features and improvements. Chatbot GPT was started by OpenAI back in 2018. So, let's discuss the journey of Chatbot GPT. GPT-1. OpenAI released GPT-1 in 2018. It was a groundbreaking language model based on the transformer architecture, which is particularly well-suited for handling sequential data like text. GPT-1 was a large model with 117 million parameters, but it was soon surpassed by more powerful versions. Then the new version GPT-2 comes into picture. It started in February 2019. OpenAI introduced GPT-2, which significantly increased the model size to 1.5 billion parameters. GPT-2 demonstrated unprecedented capabilities in natural language understanding and generation. But due to concerns about potential misuse for generating fake news or malicious content, OpenAI initially decided not to release the full model to the public. But, in November 2019, OpenAI decided to release GPT-2 gradually, in increasing sizes, to the research community and the public. This was done to assess and mitigate potential risks. GPT-2 was also used as a base model for fine-tuning on specific tasks, making it more adaptable and useful in various applications. Then the new version GPT-3 comes. GPT-3 was introduced in June 2020 and marked a substantial leap in scale and capability. It is the third iteration of the GPT series and is the most massive language model as of my knowledge, cut off in September 2021. With a staggering 175 billion parameters. This huge model size gives GPT-3 unparalleled language understanding and generation abilities. Then GPT 3.5 comes. An advanced version of the GPT-3 language model was introduced by OpenAI. Building on GPT-3's success, it featured enhancements in parameters, architecture, and training. With a vast neural network of over 300 billion parameters, GPT 3.5 demonstrated improved language understanding, context retention, and generated more coherent and contextually relevant responses. It excelled in various natural language processing tasks, such as chatbots, text generation, and comprehension. Then GPT-4, the latest milestone in OpenAI's effort in scaling up deep learning. GPT-4 is a large multimodal model, accepting image and text inputs, emitting text outputs, that, while less capable than humans in many real-world scenarios, it exhibits human-level performance on various professional and academic benchmarks. Here is the catch: all the GPTs before GPT-4 are free to use for public, but for using GPT-4 you have to pay $20 a month. I think people will start using alternatives of Chat because there are many alternatives available in the market right now. Every tech companies are starting their AI chatbot services. And may on future I will make videos on upcoming GPTs like 4.5 or something like that. Hey, do subscribe and like this video. And leave a nice comment for me in the comment section. Bye.